Hello, I am Mia. Let's learn English.
Hello, friends! Listen and sing! Let's learn have and has today! I have a pencil. You have a backpack. We have a classroom. They have a teacher. Sing again!
I have a pencil. You have a backpack. We have a classroom. They have a teacher. Sing again. You, we, they have.
He has a robot.
Wait,
She has a notebook.
wait.
It has a tail. Hey, sing again.
He has a rope.
He has a robot.
She has a notebook. It has a tail. Has a tail.
Sing again.
She, it, and has.
I have a blue hat. You have a small kite. We have a